Welcome back to another paint session. I've been off for a couple days, well, from painting. Those of you that don't know, I do work a full-time job, so although I love to paint full-time, I'm not there yet. I love the way this dried. This is probably my favorite part because it's like very light, and I love the cells that formed up here. I lost a lot of them. Yes, it is dry and ready for varnishing. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get started with today's painting. This is a 16 by 20 inch canvas. It is a level 1 canvas. So here's my cup. I don't know the technique I'm gonna be doing just yet, but I did want to kind of switch up the way that I layer my cup. Do my regular layering with the colors, layering the colors down the side of the cup so that the colors sit on top of each other as I'm layering, or like this. So that will be considered like a dirty pour. And also do a little swirl like that as well. I'm just gonna add this gray. One more swirl, and that'll be it. How am I gonna do the base? I do really like this light blue. Let's see. I'm just gonna go with the flow. That's the name of today's painting. I'm gonna layer just a little bit more paint in this cup. Haven't used the gray as much, but don't give up on it yet. Just wait. This might be a lot of paint. I do want to do something to where I could get some cells. Maybe I'll do that. I'm just gonna cover up the corners with some of this because it's a lot of painting here and I want to splatter it. So this is another good way to make sure your corners are covered. I think I'm gonna come here. I was hoping to get some cells here. I did not. I think I'm just gonna come in with a little bit of gray in some areas to kind of break up some of this color a bit. and I'm gonna go ahead and stretch it out. It's a lot of paint on here, but that's fine because I can do whatever I want. There's a bunch of things I don't like. So I can kind of manipulate this how I want. I'm actually just gonna turn this around. I'm gonna come down to this corner here. Okay. I like the gray, I really do. I like that I added the gray. It breaks up the colors a bit. The green. It's gonna be very beautiful because it has metallic in it. But am I liking this bottom? Not so much. See how much paint is on there? See how fast the paint is moving? I love the fact that I added the gray. Because it definitely gives this painting that neutral space and neutral feel. So I'm really happy with this. There is a lot of paint on the table, so I will clean that up immediately because I did tilt a lot of paint off the canvas. I see a hair or a fuzzy in my painting. That's why I have tweezers to get those pesky bums out of there. I'm gonna bring you down for a close-up. Here it is. So, of course, there is metallic. Uh-oh, is it focusing? But of course there is metallic everywhere in this painting. I love adding the metallics to my acrylic paints. Check that out. So pretty. There's even metallic in this custom pistachio pearl green here that I made. Ooh, that's real pretty. Love the colors in this one. Oh, it's so beautiful. But thank you for watching.